Hello and welcome to Someka Russia heat map generator. This tool mainly generates Russia heat map once you input the values for each territory. The territory names are already written. The only thing that you have to do is write down a value for each territory. In this case, we're presenting the population data. Type down your texts if you will use them later. Once you get familiar with the template, you may close the instructions from here. Select the color palette of the generator. The template will color the territories according to the values. Select the minimum and maximum limits of each color. Once you're done, hit Paint and the map will be ready. You will also have other settings as well. You may change text settings. If no text is selected, there won't be any text on heat maps. If display names is selected, the name of each territory will appear. And lastly, if display text is selected, you may see the text you entered in here on the map. You may also set the text size from here. All you have to do is input the number and then hit Paint. Lastly, you can set color and legend properties of the map. To set the background color, hit the cell and fill in with the color you'd like to. To choose the territory border color, select the cell and choose the necessary one from the drop-down list. No value state color is the color occurs when a value of the state does not meet any legend criteria. Fill in with the color you'd like to. And lastly, you may hide the legend on the map by choosing Hide from the drop-down menu. Once you enter all your settings and value, hit Paint again. You may also export the image when you hit Export as PDF button. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.